Hello, dear friends. Happy Dashara to all. I hope you are enjoying this festival of winning of truth over the falsehood. So, my dear friends, today is my day 5 on the happiness series. So, yesterday I ended my talk with the one belief system which was actually I explained to you that is not true, that my happiness depends upon achieving my targets. And I told you that this is a myth, because the stimulus which we have on achieving the target, it gives us we use it to produce positive thoughts, and then use these thoughts to produce good feeling, which we take as happiness, but it is short lived and temporary and limited in quantity. So, my dear friends, now coming to the second belief system about happiness. We say that happiness depends upon the circumstances. When circumstances are favorable, I will be happy, and when these are not my way, I will be unhappy. Is it true? What do you think, my friends? I explain you with an example. All of you must have faced this problem of getting stuck in the traffic at some point of your life. So, have you observed the behavior of different people when they got stuck in the traffic? Some people start cursing the government, the bad roads, the country, culture of country. Some people, they get engaged in some work. They start working on their laptop while sitting and waiting for clearance of traffic. Some people get out of their vehicle, start enjoying tea on the roadside, and start talking to some other travelers. So, situation is same, circumstances are same, but the people are behaving differently. If it all depended upon the circumstances, then all the people would have behaved in the same way, but that is not happening. So, do really circumstances determine our response, and in turn happiness also? What do you think, my dear friends? So, mostly when some circumstance which is not favorable comes our way, we usually react instead of responding. We are reacting unconsciously. We are not creating the response consciously. And so, my dear friends, circumstances have no power to control your happiness. Another myth, another belief system, that I will be happy if people behave the way I want them to be. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen. Is it possible that people always behave your way? It means then you can never be 100% happy at every moment. Sometimes you are happy, sometimes you won't be happy. Again, a big problem with this concept. You have given your remote control to the circumstances and the people behaviors. As a result, your happiness level will go up, down, and it will continue like that. You want to experience permanent and long lasting happiness. So, my dear friends, then is there any way that we can have permanent and unlimited happiness. Kindly comment upon this. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments. Tomorrow I will be moving ahead. Till then, take care. Happy Dussehra to all of you once again. Bye bye.